This outdoor living space has 4 levels to it. I just came off the master bedroom level. We got the private patio retreat level with the rainless ceiling. Rainless ceiling has starlight pattern pin lights. They're dimmable. They create the best ambiance. And to top it all off, we got the entertainment dream deck level. When I first met Mike and Vanessa, their deck was super big, but super old. They actually loved living in Castle Pines Village, but they just weren't sure they wanted to stay in this house.
But I definitely needed, to tear up all those boards and do something to fix the deck. Because boards were coming up here and there. I guess the previous owners, before they sold, they just threw some composite on top of it. Some of the boards were coming up and all like the steps were a little shallow because it was, you lose a little bit when you add another board on top of a board. And we wanted a new deck.
So what I did is I cast a vision for them and I showed them what was possible. Right here where the winds were coming in the most, now they've got picture perfect views of the forest with no wind blowing in from this direction. A lot of people think that you have to glass in an entire space to make it year round, but that's just not true. We can keep it wide open where the winds aren't actually blowing from most of the time. Now this is a south-facing deck, which means the sun is gonna beat down, it's gonna get super hot, which is why we've got this flat roof, tinted skylight, but most importantly, this shade. As the sun comes down, we're still protected. And what good is an entertainment dream deck if you don't have the top-of-the-line grill? Here we got the rotisserie infrared burners. We got the kick door trash can. We've got the soft close drawers. Stainless steel. As you can see, it just rained, but we got no worries here. The water hits the composite decking, hits the steel framing, it's galvanized all the way through. This deck is built to last a lifetime. Living in Colorado, there are tons of weather factors that drive us back inside. We've got the sun, the snow, rain, hail, wind. I've got a solution for all that. I've got the roof. I've got the heaters, I've got the glass wind walls, I've got the shades. Now, once you protect yourself from all the elements, you gotta have something to do. When you come out here, the space has to be big enough to entertain for. You gotta have signature fire features, you gotta have a place to grill, you gotta have a place to watch TV.
We were smoking cigars in the garage in the winter, so it's like a massive upgrade. But yeah, we spent a lot of time in front of the TV. It's kind of nice, it's covered on 3 sides. We're out there in the winter, and even in the summer it's nice.
Give us a call today and we'll design your outdoor living space.